can you really launch a full-blown AI SaaS app without writing a single line of code? I didn't believe it either until I tried AI Profit Labs. And let me tell you, this changed everything. I spent weeks learning to code, tried building apps from scratch, hours wasted, nothing launched. Sound familiar? That's where I was until I came across this one-click AI SaaS builder. With AI Profit Labs, you literally just choose a tool idea, click a few buttons, and the system builds it for you. AI engine, payment integration, even the landing page. It's insane. I launched my first AI app in 3 days. Yes, 3. And guess what? I got my first payment within a week. Zero coding. Just followed their steps and used the bonuses they included. The boilerplate code and prompt vault are gold. If you've been thinking about launching an online business, side hustle, or want to jump into the AI wave, this is the easiest way I've found. For $17, it's a no-brainer. Check out AI Profit Labs now before the launch offer ends.